Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do an easy bar skull crusher, or also known as a French press. This is a tricep extension exercise, so we're really looking to work the triceps here, and that video is coming up right now. Now the skull crusher is a fantastic tricep extension exercise. I prefer it to doing just straight overhead extensions because it's a bit easier on the shoulder, which is nice, and you're supported by using a bench. So you need to get yourself a bench, and you need to get yourself one of these, which is an easy barbell. You can do it with straight barbells as well. I prefer doing arm work with easy barbells because it creates less pain in my elbow, my wrist, and my shoulder. So it's entirely up to you. Now what you're going to do is you're going to get the bench, obviously, speak Adam, engage brain, and then you're going to lay down on the bench and hold the bar above the head. And then we have a nice teaching point on that. Make sure your feet are nice and wide, make sure your knees are over your ankles and you're all in line, and you've got nice width there as well. Now, as I said, you're going to have it over your head. You're what you want is you don't want to start with the barbell. You don't want to start with the barbell above the chest here. You do want to start with it kind of above the forehead. Okay, and just having that line there is going to be far better for the tricep extension here as you pull up, as opposed to starting here and bringing it down towards the face. Despite the name of this, you don't actually want to crush your skull. Okay, so you're going up past above the head as you do it. So make sure you start there, and that's basically it. And then all you're going to do, once you're here, align yourself to kind of above the head. And then all you're going to do is hinge the elbows down towards the floor, like so. Feel that in the triceps, then squeeze the triceps to extend back up above your head. And that's basically it. Now again, we're looking to just work the tricep just here. So we're trying to not get the bicep involved or the shoulders or the chest involved too much. This is an isolation exercise solely for the tricep. So if you're feeling it elsewhere in the body, you might be stabilizing a bit through the core, squeezing the glutes, trying to keep yourself nice and neutral. That's fine. But if you're feeling it more in the shoulder, or if you're feeling it more in the bicep per se, then maybe just have a look at that starting position. You don't want to be starting here. You want to be starting kind of here with that bar above your head, and then you take it down, and that will really help with that. I'll show you the side angle just so you can see what it looks like there, making sure your hips stay connected to the bench, because that's another common thing as well, and that often happens when you're lifting weight that's too heavy for you to manage. So make sure you keep those hips down, and that will really help. So here's the side angle of the skull crusher. So again, you don't want to start here, you want to start about here, and then all we're doing is hinging the elbows down, isolating that tricep, and pushing the weight through like so. You'll notice my hips are staying down, my feet are nicely balanced. Good. And I'm not swinging through here either. I'm not moving the elbow. The elbow, once it's set, once I've started, the elbow just stays in exactly the same place the whole way down and the whole way up like so. And that's how you do the easy bar skull crusher. If you have any questions about this, then please put them in the comments below. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I very much look forward to seeing you again real soon. Thanks for being here. See you later. Bye-bye.